I'm Eileen.
Hi, I'm Cheri. I have 4 food allergies. Our goal is to provide delicious meal ideas your whole family will enjoy. Today we're making sausage rolls. Eileen, my mother-in-law, was born in London. The first time I ever had a sausage roll was when she made them. I hope that these stand up as a tribute to hers, even though there's an awful lot of substitutions. All you need to make sausage rolls are sausage and puff pastry. We previously made the puff pastry. You can find out how to do it at our website, 2 Cooks, 4 Allergies. I'm using some aquafaba to help keep the dough together. I'm adding a little aquafaba to help them brown. I believe the sausage rolls are ready.
These are the sausage rolls that we made today. I'm looking forward to tasting them.
They're fun to make and even more fun to eat.
Let's try it. They're really good. Delicious.
Thank you for watching our video.
We'll see you next time.
Check it out, yo. Check it out, yo.